In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link to a page in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever wanted to jump straight to a specific page in your notebook or help someone else land exactly where you want them, this is a simple and powerful way to do it. We'll cover two quick techniques. First, how to copy a direct link to a page, and second, how to create a link inside your notes that points to another page, a website, or even a file path. Let's start with copying a link to a OneNote page. Open your notebook and look at the list of pages in the sidebar. Find the page you want to share or reference, then right-click that page tab and choose Copy Link to Page. That instantly places a direct link on your clipboard. It's not just a link to the notebook, it goes straight to the exact page, which makes it ideal for precise navigation. Now decide where you want to use that link. You can paste it into another OneNote page, a meeting agenda, a task list, a document, a chat, or an email, anywhere that accepts text. Paste it using your normal paste shortcut, or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. When someone clicks it, they'll go right to that page, as long as they already have access to the notebook. If the notebook is shared with them, it just works. If not, they'll need permission before the link can open the content. Next, let's create a link inside OneNote to help you navigate within your notes. This is perfect for creating a table of contents, referencing related pages, or turning key text into a quick jump. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link, or select an image you want to make clickable. Then go to the Insert tab and choose Link, or press Ctrl+K to open the Link dialog. In the Link box, you have options. You can paste the page link you copied earlier, so your selected text points directly to that OneNote page. Or, if you prefer, you can type a web address or a file path to link to an external resource. Click OK to finish. That highlighted text or image is now a clickable link, and selecting it will take you exactly where you intended. That's all there is to it. Copy a direct page link when you want fast sharing to a precise location, and create in-note links to guide readers through your content. Keep your link text descriptive so it's clear where it leads, and remember that access permissions control who can open what. With these simple techniques, your OneNote navigation becomes faster, cleaner, and far more organized.